Nice. Look at that. Welcome to the Philippines. There's a mermaid with legs. And now Yancy too. Together, the arms up. Yeah, celebration. Wait, still shot, still shot. Stand up, ready, still shot. I hope it works. Yeah. Philippine Sea off the coast of Maasin. Southern Leyte, Visayas region. In the saltwater aquarium we're diving in. With our native boat that is piloted by Tatay. Everyone is eating. Good fun. Good fun. Big Country Adman Aloha Adventures. My drone footage. There you go. See if I can edit that.